I want to give you some feedback since you did turn this in early, actually. I want to make sure that this bar, this line, that comes out, right? And again, you'll want to left align these, really important. The reflow isn't quite working there. I think these can come out, these dashes, and okay, I think that will work for you. This is better. You've removed some of those stray images, and that's good. You can edit this down to where it aligns with this, okay? Or you can wrap this a little differently, break the lines to where they make 5 lines altogether. And that will also align it, and then you will not lose this space in between that you need. You could probably reduce that space a little bit, but do keep your gutter here all the way down, right? And you might consider taking this and putting it in this column, if you can do that. Take this off. That will move this over to align probably. Okay, so these can come off. And that's fine. This is fine. It'd be better if there was one less line here so that these would be the same, but that's okay. And sometimes lining up can be difficult. Let's take all this space out. You're just so close to having an asset. Let's take some of this space out, all right? And so this, we'll get into this much quicker that way. Okay. All right. This line is here again. I don't know if that's just a space between the background. I think that's what it is. So we'll need to close that up or remove the image in the background. That might work better for you. It will load quicker for you. And okay. Let's find a way to make the header stand out a little bit more. It can either be in bold, something like that. And let's break the paragraphs up. So any dense paragraph you want to break up, you know, by make it 2 or 3 paragraphs. And then we want to check how this is rewrapping or line wrapping here. So check those breaks. Leave a little space under there. Okay. And then we looked at this. Yeah, it's that background that is part of that. So here we've got social media twice. We need to make this shorter, crop that image, and this looks good, but we have it here, so we can't have both. This probably would look better in black. It'd be easier to read. Contrast is what we're looking for. And this content has to be entered. Remember, it's not searchable when it's a picture. And that's what it is currently. Okay. All right, so you have a great start. Probably be good to close this in a little bit, but you may need this text here. I'm not sure how you're going to block that here, how you're going to lay this out and have this on both sides. I imagine you'll have a background that you'll put here and then put that content in it. So the logo, we only have on one page. So this should be on your home page for sure. Generally, we have it somewhere small. You do have it over here. It kind of needs to be brought in a little bit. Maybe have it on your header where it stays stationary on every page. And, close that in like this. We are trying to get space there. So there are things you can do, but it's improved. Just has a little more to go, but you've done a great job, for building this month, and then you'll have this behind you. You'll have more experience with layout, and when you get to web design, then you'll just be ready to fly. All right? Good job.